Today I'm going to make this flowers, so I have to use this yarn and make a magic ring with this 3.5mm hook. Insert the hook into this, grab this yarn and make 3 chain, count as first double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. This is count as first double crochet. So this is first double crochet. Now I have to make chain 1, totally 4 chains here, yarn over, another double crochet into this ring and a double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet into this ring, chain 1, yarn over, another double crochet into this ring, chain 1, another double crochet into this ring, then chain 1. I made 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close this magic ring and a slip a stitch top of first 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. I made this exactly. Like this, and cut this yarn. So I made this. Now here I use another color. Make a slip knot. Set the hook into 1 chain 1 space exactly, and grab this yarn. Make a slip knot here. Now 4 chain, 1, 2 and 3, totally for 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over twice and insert the hook into same place to make triple crochet. Yarn over twice, another one into same place, then yarn over and a double crochet, then yarn over twice and a triple crochet, then yarn over twice, another triple crochet, then here 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, then a slip a stitch here. Another slip a stitch into next chain 1 space. So here exactly like this. Then 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over twice, then we'll chain 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over twice. Then we have to hide this two yarn into this work.